welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to master a difficult jump, the axel. So the axel is a scary jump because you're jumping forward and rotating 1.5 times in the air, but don't worry, we got this. I'm going to show you a few helpful exercises and tips to nail your axel. My first exercise is the waltz jump to backspin. We are going to practice hitting that toe, pulling your arms and legs in at the exact same time, quickly snapping and landing. Another helpful exercise is the waltz jump, loop jump combination. This will prepare your body for the extra air time you need for that axel. Third, we have the backspin jump out exercise. Here I want you to focus on how tight you will be spinning in the air. Going from the waltz jump to an axel is a big step. You will really have to pull your ankles in, your knees in, your arms in as tight as possible. Your arms are slightly over the right side to quickly rotate 1.5 times in the air. Also remember to make your waltz jump as big as possible for extra air time for that axel. For the axel, we want to be on a nice steady edge, arms and hips square, knees back, arms back, and we are jumping outside our circle. You can do a few walkthroughs to visualize all of these steps. Again, remembering that tight air position. Don't be afraid to add some speed to get the momentum to land that axel. Note my tight air position. My arms and legs are pulling in at the same exact time. The knee is getting up as high as possible for more air time. And note we are hitting the toe pick also for maximal air, as you can see here. Practicing your axel from a standstill position is a great way to learn. I also like to do a waltz jump to axel exercise to again practice that momentum and adding speed. Now to review a few common axel mistakes. You do not ever want to jump inside your circle. See how I'm rotating inside and I'm having difficulty landing that jump. Always jump outside of the circle. Here, my free leg is too slow. I'm landing on my right foot before kicking my left foot back. Always remember to kick that left leg out before landing on the right foot. Vice versa if you jump lefty. This is a great exercise you can do at the wall. Be sure to push that free leg back before landing on your right foot. Another common mistake is reaching for the ground. You are already setting yourself up to fall. Remember to land, chest up, arms nice and stretched out, and smile. Lastly, we never want to drop that right shoulder.